Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got something special here because we reached 1,000 subscribers, which is fantastic. I'm so happy. Thank you guys for your support, for your comments, for your likes, for your dislikes, for the suggestions, for all the feedbacks you sent. Really, really appreciate it. I'm super happy. It's incredible to have reached 1,000 subscribers. Just fantastic. And I received this guy right over here. This is a CRKT squid engraved by Marie Jolie. Look at that. She's so nice, a fantastic human being, so generous. She donated this to the channel for this giveaway. And this is a pretty cool little knife. It has this is a Barnley design, of course. Has a nice owl and sugar skull engraved right over here. Would you look at the detail of this scale? Really, really cool. Also, it's engraved in the back like that. It comes with the card, with the box. It's in excellent condition. Second prize is going to be this Bestech knives. This is a Bestech Shogun S35VN steel, titanium frame lock. It's nicely anodized in the pocket clip and the back spacer. Runs on bearings. It's nice. It's brand new. Of course, comes with the box and the pouch on the inside of this box. And the third prize is going to be this 3-coil Puna, which is an ICDC, let's say, multi-tool. It looks like an AK-47, but actually you can just release the trigger right over here. You're going to have like a nice scalpel with an 11 size blade, which is replaceable and just pretty cool to use. And then you just hinge it like that. It's gonna go back. Here you've got the tool to disassemble and to replace the blade, and it's very nicely done. It's a little gadget. Here, for example, you also have a Phillips head screwdriver, which is gonna be just like that, and you're gonna have the option to use it as well as a bottle opener. So in this area right over here, also comes with this pretty cool case, extra flathead screwdriver, and 4 extra spare blades. So these are the prizes that are gonna be included on the giveaway that I'm gonna run here on YouTube, and it's gonna last for 4 days. All you have to do, guys, is like the video, subscribe to Fablades on YouTube, check out my Instagram, follow me on Instagram, and share the post that I'll be posting on Instagram as well. So those will be the requirements in order for you to participate. And in 4 days, I'm just going to do a draw, and I'm going to ship them out to the winners. So hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hope you guys are gonna participate into this pretty cool giveaway. Thanks for watching, stay tuned, and good luck.